to day 22. Okay, let's start here. 400 minus 96. 0 minus 6, we can't do that, right? So we need to borrow. We cannot do 0 minus 9 either, so we need to borrow because we can do 4 minus 0. So 4 becomes a 3. 0 becomes 10. Now we have to borrow from that 10. So 10 becomes a 9. So now we have 10 minus 6, which would be 4. We have 9 minus 9, which is 0. And now we have 3 minus 0, which is 3. 304. How many inches are in 4 feet? Well, 1 foot is 12 inches. Remember looking at a ruler? So if there are 12 inches in 4 feet, how many inches is that? Oh, sorry, if there are 12 inches in 1 foot, how many inches are in 4 feet? So here's how we're going to do this. We're going to go 12, because that's how many inches we have, times 4. Because remember, multiplication is repeated addition. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 would get us how many are in 4 feet. Same thing as 12 times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. So there are 48 inches in 4 feet. If you have a pie with 6 pieces and you ate 2 pieces, what fraction of the pie is left? Now I know we haven't done much with fractions yet. That's okay. I'm going to take a minute here. I'm going to get some graph paper out to help us. Okay. So we're going to draw our pie. Okay, there's our pie. And it says there are 6 pieces in the pie. So let's do that's 4, and then 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces in our pie. Not all equal, but that's okay. Then it says you ate 2 pieces of the pie. So let's kind of shade in 2 pieces of this pie because you already ate them. So you ate 2 pieces of the pie. There you go. Ate all your pie nice and full. Which fraction of the pie is left? So now you got to look and say, how much of this pie is left after I ate 2 pieces of it? 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are left. Out of how many pieces in this whole pie? Well, there's 6. You could reduce that down, but don't worry about that right now. Our answer is 4/6 of the pie is left. Okay? Number 4, long subtraction here. Can we subtract 1 from 3? No, we cannot. Can we subtract 7 from 8? No, we cannot. Can we subtract 3 from 4? No, we cannot. All right, all the way over here. 6 minus 2. 6 becomes a 5. We can do that because we are borrowing. 3 becomes 13. We got to borrow from that 13, so 13 becomes a 12. And now 7 becomes a 17. You got to borrow from him, so 17 becomes a 16. And now 1 becomes 11. 11, 10, 9, 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 12 minus 4 is also 8. And 5 minus 2 is 3. 3,888. Okay. Number 5. Round 728 to the nearest 10. Remember, guys, we need to know our place value. Okay. This 8 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place. So it says nearest 10, which means we're going to be rounding in the tens place. So the 2 is in the tens place. So remember, we have to look to the neighbor. Is that 8 big enough to push that 2 to a 3? Or is it small enough that it's going to go down to a 1? Well, if it's 5 and above, that means it's big enough to push that 2 to a 3. 8 is bigger than 5, so that 2 is going to become a 3, and that means when we round up, it's 730. Okay, 70 times 5. Once again, What is 7 times 5? 35. Add a 0, 350. There you go. Got some longer addition here. A couple ways we can do this, but we're just going to start from the top and work our way down, okay? So 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 568. Looking good. All right, let's look ahead to the next day. Ooh, we have some division here, okay? That might be a little scary, but don't worry about that. We will get to it. This shape is a, what shape is that? Well, you know what shape that is in the front. What are 4 equal length sides? That would be a square, but when it's three-dimensional, what does that make it? Estimate the number to the nearest dollar. So you gotta, once again, know your place value here to know, is that gonna go up or down? What is the sum of 278 and 537? Sum. Sum means the answer when you add. So whenever you see sum, we're talking about adding. Have a longer multiplication problem here. And what time was it 2 hours earlier? What time is it then? Go back 2 hours. That'll tell you. We have some marbles here. Billy has 279 marbles. Carol has 347 marbles. How many more marbles does Carol have than Billy? How many more? Tells us that will be a subtraction problem. All right, have a great day. We'll see you back here next time.